Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with RE/MAX up here in Big Bear Lake, and I am back with your May 2025 market update. Whether you're a homeowner, a buyer, or an investor, this update is going to give you a clear snapshot of what is happening in our local real estate market. So let's jump right in. In the month of May, we had 52 homes close escrow here in the Big Bear Valley. The numbers are telling an interesting story and one that reflects where our market is headed as we enter into the summer season. Let's break it down. Average sold price, $542,523. The average list price was $569,773. The average square foot on a home, 1442. The average price per square foot sold, $401. And the median price was $439,450. Our average days on market, 83. Our list to sales price ratio was 96.86. So what does that mean for you? We are seeing homes selling just under asking, with sellers receiving about 97 cents on the dollar on average. That tells us that buyers are negotiating, but sellers are still holding some leverage, especially when the property is priced right and presents well. The median price of $439,450 also shows that affordable inventory is still active. However, anything significantly overpriced is sitting longer and often going through price reductions. Most homes that sold were 2 to 3 bedrooms, and the average size was 1,442 square foot. This is typical for Big Bear buyers who are looking for cozy retreats or vacation rentals that balance space and manageability. The smallest home that was sold was just 504 square foot, and the largest was nearly 3,900 square foot. So we had a pretty wide range of properties moving this month, from starter cabins to luxury lakeside estates. Here are a few notable highlights. A home on Lakeview Drive, listed at $2.4 million, just sold for $2 million. Proof that luxury homes are still selling, but not always at full asking price. On the lower end, a cabin on Silver Pine Road, listed at $235,000, just sold for $230,000. Great for entry-level buyers or investors. Homes that were well priced, updated, or had strong rental potential tended to sell much faster and closer to the list price. Days on market. Homes spent an average of 83 days on market in May, with a median of 70 days. That's a key stat to watch. Properties that are priced right and marketed well are typically moving within the first 60 to 90 days. But for homes sitting longer, especially those in the 100+ day range, that's a sign that buyers are being more selective, possibly due to interest rates, location, or condition. Buyers are still active, but they're very cautious right now. We are seeing a few of the following things: more negotiation, higher expectations for condition and value, sensitivity to location, lot size, and views. So if you are a seller, pricing is everything. Overpriced homes are not getting offers right now, no matter how cute the staging or how great the view is. If you're thinking of listing, don't just look at the highest comp. Look at what is actually moving. We saw strong activity in areas like Sugarloaf, Moonridge, Big Bear City, and Fox Farm, and sales spread pretty evenly across the valley. Each neighborhood offers something different, from entry-level affordability to luxury lake homes. As we move into June and the summer season kicks off, we usually expect more inventory to hit the market and buyer traffic to increase. However, if interest rates remain where they are or inch up, that could level things out. My advice to sellers: if your home isn't getting showings or offers, don't wait. Price reductions are not fire sales. They're strategy. You want to be one of the 52 sales, not one of the many homes sitting without movement. And buyers, if you've been sitting on the fence, now is a good time to make a move. You've got choices, negotiating power, and in many cases, sellers who are ready to deal. The Big Bear market is still alive and active, but smart pricing, smart marketing, and a clear understanding of buyer psychology are what's making the difference between sold and stale. If you are curious about what your home might be worth, or want to get on the radar for off-market or upcoming inventory, shoot me a message. And if you're an investor looking for a strong short-term rental, I've got my eye on some options with proven income. income history. Thanks so much for tuning in to this May market update. I am Rachael Smith with RE/MAX in Big Bear, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.